so you have seen my last trip to Joann's, and what did I get? So let me show you the two boxes that I came home with. Okay, these are the two Joann boxes that I came home with. Let's dig into these boxes and see what I got from my last trip to Joann's. Okay, so just a tip, if you go to your local Joann's, bring your own bags because they are totally out of shopping bags. They have boxes, they might pack in boxes, but you might have to carry everything in your arms if you do not bring a bag. Let's see what I got at Joann's. So remember I told you that I did buy some of the cotton yarn. It's K and C. Whatever this K and C is, I bought some of this yarn. This is the 100% cotton yarn. I am going to be making a lot of these cover-ups, these boho poncho cover-up tops. So I wanted to have a lot of this cotton yarn on hand. I do not have a Hobby Lobby near me at all. It's over 2 hours away, so I wanted to buy some of this yarn. So let me angle this down a little bit so you can see as I pile it here. KC yarn, and it's 100% cotton. It says knit and crochet. Anyway, whatever it is, premium yarn, essential, 100% cotton. So let's see how many skeins. So I've got, this color is Gulf Side, and it's sort of a sage green, a seafoam green, something like that. So I bought several skeins of this color. Let me take it all out and then we'll see how much I got. And then the same brand, and I got this color this is called Canyon, and it's like a rusty orange. So I got some of that. I did get Big Twist Black because I am always running out of Big Twist Black. So let's see how many blacks I bought. And I've got my cardboard set up here on my bed. I did buy one of these. So this is sort of the dishcloth cotton yarn. I did get one purple in this just to have on hand. All right, so one of those. And this is the K&C again brand. 5 whites here, or off-white colors. So let's see, let's put these all in a row. And once I get this all out, I will be showing you everything that I got. I'm sort of just trying to get everything out. And here's the grand total. And this does include some items that my daughter bought. She bought some odds and end crafts that she needed for her cosplay stuff. So we'll put this to the side until we do a final reveal. I did buy some of this Big Twist Living brand, and I love this. It's the anti-pilling, and I absolutely love this color. This color is Spirit, and I love to make pumpkins out of this yarn, so I bought some of this color. Again, some of this KC yarn. This was a gray color. I'm working on a poncho right now in this gray, so I've already taken one skein out. So I really liked this color, so I bought quite a few of this color. It never hurts to have extra soft cotton yarn around, so I know that I will be using this up. Okay, so I did go back right at the end and I bought 2 of these because I just love this color. So this is the Big Twist Jelly Bean, and I bought 2 of Cosmic Candy. This was the only 2 that I bought of this color. I went back right at the very end and said, I love this color, I want to have 2. So I bought 2, and I'm going to make pumpkins out of these 2 this fall. Okay, I told you that I did buy a couple of the Red Heart Granny Square yarn. So this is the color Espresso, Black Espresso. I think I bought 2, but here's one of them. I got a Big Twist. This is a light pink color. It's called Baby Pink. I bought one of these. I bought a couple of the colors just so I would have for my cat pillow covers. I don't have to have these for a long project where I would need the same dye lot number. I can just buy random ones, and I just wanted to make sure that I did not run out of nice, cheery, happy colors for those cat pillow covers that I'm going to make. So I did not buy a lot of yarn for one single project. I sort of bought them knowing that I would use up some basic colors. All right, here's another one of those off-whites in the cotton. This is Aqua. Again, just a big twist for my cat pillow covers, just so I have a couple aqua colors. Okay, so I did buy white. So let me start a row of white here because I did buy quite a few skeins of white. And again, I'm going to go through all of this at the end. All right, here's another black. My main goal was to buy white and black because I am always running out of white and black. Let me know in the comments if you went to your local Joann's. Is it still open? Is it closed? Was the yarn? What did you get? I got one gray, I think, just to have gray on hand. I didn't need a lot of it. I just wanted to make sure that if I needed a gray, I'd have some for my kitties. And I bought 2 of these slime green colors because sometimes people want super bright, I think this is the slime, yes. sometimes people want a really fluorescent green and I didn't want to be totally out of that, so I just bought two. Here's some more black. Bought one of these because I really love this colorway. This again is the Granny Square yarn by Red Heart, and this is the black cyber leaf, and I love this. I love these colors, so I got one of these. That's box number one. So box number one held, I've got one of the grays out, so I'm going to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 42 skeins, and at the end I will take the camera off and show you everything and tell you how much we spent, including all of my daughter's crafts. She had a cart almost half full of a bunch of craft stuff, so that is in there as well. So one box is empty. These boxes are going to be collector's items. Okay, again, I got some more of the cotton yarn, and I got some brown. I thought it'd be really cute to make one of these ponchos in brown. Thought that would be a really beautiful color to have. So I got 3 of the brown. Let's see, here's some of the off-white again. This is actually a darker green. This is called Rainforest. I thought that was really pretty too. Let me put that in there. Some more of this off-white. You can't go wrong. It's called Cream, and it is that soft cotton yarn. I got some more of this color. Here's another brown, white, the orangey color. Again, for the cat pillow covers, I just wanted to make sure I had a little bit extra of all the bright cherry colors. So I got this pale blue. This is sky blue. I got a white. I don't think I got cream. Just stuck to white. I got 2 of these lilac colors. Lilac, yeah, just for my cat pillow covers to make sure that I had a variety, nice variety of colors still. Got some more black, always running out of black. Let me know, do you have a color that you always run out of? I got 2 of these camel colors because I love the camel color. I made sure that I got one of these light greens and I think another sky blue, yes, because that was a pretty blue. Let me move down here. Okay, we're getting down to the end. So I got some more black, some more white. The white was the color that I wanted to get the most. My daughter said, oh, look at the nice pale yellow. So I just got one of the pale yellow just to have it for my cat pillow covers. A medium pink. Yep, medium rose. That is it. Box empty. See, I didn't go too hog wild. Let me sort of lay everything out so you can get full effect here. So we only ended up getting 4 of these brown colors. I only got 2 of these spirit colors. Let's see, I have just actually got 2 over here. So I got 4 in total of these cotton grays. It looks like I've got 3 total of this sort of burnt orange color. Got quite a few whites. So let me turn the camera around so you can see how much yarn that I bought. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 whites, and then I got the sage green, darker green. I got some brown. I got 2 of these. I thought these would make cute cats. I got some grays. I got some of the orange. I got quite a few of the cream color and cotton. I know I'll use those up. And then I just got a few of the Big Twist colors that I sort of liked, that I didn't want to run out of, because everything was priced 60% off. I've got 1 of these. So I got some black yarn. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skeins of the black, 2 of the slime, 2 of the camel, 2 of those colors, 1 of that. So I think this is a pretty good haul. Pretty good haul. And like I said, my daughter got quite a few crafting items. Okay, now to see the total. Okay, so looking at the receipts, all of the regular yarn, the Big Twist yarn was $180, and then the K&C cotton yarn was $220. So I think I did pretty good. The Granny Square yarn here was $380. Still not bad at all. So I think I did pretty well. Okay, I did spend $265.61. Quite a bit of my daughter's crafts in there too. I think this is a nice little stash of white, black, and some cotton yarn. Just a few of the other colors just to make sure that I have enough for a certain project. I really love this. Really love that. I think that would make a super cute pillow cover for maybe cats, for like a male, someone that wants one for like their husband or son or something like that, that doesn't want a bunch of pinks or, you know, girly colors. I think that would be really cute. So that is my yarn haul, guys. I don't think I did that bad really for all of this yarn. I think we got some great deals here. Everything was 60% off. So great deals on the yarn. So here it is, guys. Here is my haul. What do you think?